Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about knitting this particular socks. I will make this video from beginning to the end, but because it is so long, I will divide it into few different videos and I will number them correctly so that you can follow from first video to the last. I will also try and make it as detailed and beginner friendly as possible. So even if it is your first time knitting socks, you will still be able to follow and complete this project. The videos for this particular sock design will be divided into 6 segments, if you will. The cast on and the cuff, the ankle or leg portion with the first design, reinforced heel flap and heel curve, gusset, the main foot portion with main design in the middle, and these two designs, which is the same one but flipped, and the final one is the toe curve with the seamless closure at the top of the opening that will be left over. But as you can see, once you are done with it, you can't even tell there was one. 6 videos. If you will watch these 6 videos from beginning till the end, you will be able to knit these socks with me. Even if it is your first time knitting a sock, I am trying to be as detailed as I can be, not to rush and explain everything well for you to be able to follow me. If you know how to do some of this, you can just skip that particular segment and move on to the next one. I will be knitting these socks on 2 sets of circular needles or needles connected by cable. You will also need stitch markers, of course some scissors, crocheting hook, the one that will be perfect for the thickness of the yarn that you are using. And you will also need a tiny small hook for fixing some imperfections. Maybe a few of the yarn threads will be hanging out or poking out. You can always move them on the inside of the sock by using a tiny small hook. And tapestry needle. Mine is plastic and bendy, but I know they also come in metal. They have a very large wide eye, they are thick, and they almost like resemble the needle for knitting. And also if you wish to use pen and paper, because you will be marking a few things, the rows and the stitches that you are making, just so that you can remember easier where you're at in your knitting or what you are doing, etc. For this particular sock design, you will need 3 colors of yarn. The main color, and then the contrasting light color, and then the pop color, which will create this snowflake or flower pattern and will be well seen within the light color that you will choose. There's also a few different patterns that are involved here. This is the first one. Then you will have this particular one where the main color goes into the light color, creating the rigid edge, and it's the same pattern twice but in reverse, so the top and the bottom. And then the main pattern, which is this flower or snowflake pattern. The socks are perfect for any time of the year depending on where you live, but I also think they have very holiday Christmassy look. So if you are looking for a homemade, handmade gift for someone, I think this would be perfect.